Everybody, the Wizard of Wood here, and on a property we've been taking care of for many years in Medford, New Jersey, for two different homeowners. And started out we were restoring the outside of the house, but we were if you're in the outdoor living space segment, then there's a lot of work to be done, and it keeps coming back, and there's a lot of opportunity, especially when a customer likes the work you do. So here we have stamped concrete, and we have all different stuff here. I'll show this as we kind of walk around. Here is a stamped concrete, but it's a little different as far as the look, tone, and so forth. So what we're going to do here is we're going to strip this off. We're going to recoat and then re-dye the stamped concrete. We did this before, and it's been well over 5 years, so it's held up pretty well. If you look, it's just really starting to lose the sealer on it, or the shine, which is great. Then we have epay decks that we've been taking care of. The customer tried to do it last time, and you can see on the siding they got a little bit on there, but as far as the siding, hasn't been done in so it'll be 4 years this month, and we're probably gonna get another year, maybe a couple more years out of it before he does maintenance. We were talking about that today. I mean, overall the siding looks great, and this is with our Deck Restoration Plus stain, by the way. Another epay deck, and then as we come out back here, we're going to see more stamped concrete that has to be done. And then the reason I said about outdoor living space is because the other stuff that can be done. So all the stamped concrete, he had a hot tub pulled out. He wants to put a smoker over there, which we can do. But most of it's pretty good. It's just lost a little bit of the shine on the stamped concrete, but when it starts to lose it, that's when you want to redo it or maintain it. Here's the outdoor living kitchen area. In the outdoor living space, we're going to redo this. He wants a new one built, but we're going to just restore this right now, but give him a price to update the outdoor kitchen. So anyway, just want to go over all the opportunities that are at a home when you're dealing with outdoor living space. So we have the outdoor kitchen, because we actually installed those and we rebuild decks. We also restore exterior wood, so we have the epay decks, we have the wood siding on the house, and stamped concrete. Stamped concrete could be done a couple ways. It could be one color, shine. It could be antiqued, which is your contrast with your darker and your lighter tone, which we'll be doing to some of this. Some of it we won't. Where I started out with that gray, that just stays the one color with your sealer over top of it. This is going to get antiqued. It didn't get antique last time. It was originally, and now he wants to go back to the antiquing, which is what the previous homeowner had. But like I said, all this is outdoor living space. Turn around again, and it's a beautiful home, beautiful property. But it's nice that they trust us. I mean, we do landscaping, but the rest of it we take care of. So siding looks great. The stamped concrete from last time is good. Customers happy with the work we do. It just keeps us coming back. Nice way to do business. We just don't do one thing. So if you're thinking about doing this kind of work, that outdoor living space in that segment has really blown up, and people are really taking care of their outdoor properties. You saw the out back there, that kitchen area. He's got a hammock out by the water. He likes to go out there with, he said, a glass of wine, chill, falls asleep out there, spends all kinds of time out there. Wants to look nice, wants to enjoy the property he has, and just wants to look nice. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. What else can you add to your outdoor living space services that'll help your company, help your business, and just bringing it up. Hope you enjoyed the video, your little walk with me around the property, and thank you for watching the video.